Hello and welcome to the TV room. I'm going to turn on pet number 40. And up it comes. Commodore Basic, sort of. Arbiter, sort of, kind of. This is the one I think has the screen RAM issues. Because it will kind of do things. Oops. I'm typing in the dark here. But see, things are happening down below. When I type in run, things happen. But they're not exactly what we think should be happening. And they may change as things sort of warm up a bit. I'm not so sure. Oops. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Alright, just a sec. So as you can see, it's weird. I'm going to turn it off. We're going to turn it on. And who knows if it is going to change again. I don't know. Let's see here. I'm on my other phone. And I'm going to see. Oh, that's strange. I'm looking for a better Wi-Fi connector here. I guess that's okay. Anyway, also, I will make the screen brighter so I can see better. And I will go into Google. So, Commodore. Oops, 40, 32. Screen, RAM, chips. Let's see if anything useful comes up here. Commodore PIT 4032. Interesting. There are things that come up here. I'm not sure if they're helpful or not. I'm just leaving this on to see if anything changes as we're here. Interesting. Yes. You know what? I'm going to have to find. There's all kinds of interesting things here. But I am going to have to find. Just like the layout of this board and figure out which are indeed the RAM chips. So let's try again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's funny, these things are coming up here. Semicolon, colon. Go to, uh-oh. It came up weird. It came up as an F. I wonder if it's going to work or not. I guess it did. Wow, that would be a cool thing, like kind of a matrixy thing. And I'm suspecting that if I stop it again, it probably won't run again. There, I pressed the off reverse key, so we kind of see the weird things that are going on there. But that is kind of funky and crazy. It is. Alright, fill this list. Not really. Will it run again? Not really. That is not surprising. Anyway, it's, I think, close. I think if we do the RAM chip, once we figure out what the RAM chip is, we should be fine, I think. Let's turn it back on and see if it's any different. And it is much the same. Much the same. And I think still the same similar bad characters. Like Arbiter is supposed to be A-R-B-I-T-E-R. It is. And of course Commodore is okay, but BASIC should not have an @ symbol there. It should not. Anyway, we'll see what's up with pet number 40. And I suspect that indeed there are more surprises coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.